So there's this idea that humans only use 10% of their brain at any given time, and by extension, if we could tap into that extra 90%, we could all be geniuses or get superpowers. This is a myth because at any given time, we're actually using our entire brain. What happens is that different areas of our brain are engaged at higher levels depending on what we're doing. So if you're having a conversation, the language portion of my brain is more active than, say, my visual side. Nobody knows where this myth came from or where the 10% specific number came from, but it's been used widely in the media, in books and science and film since the early 1900s. What is interesting is that 10% of our brain is composed of neurons. The other 90% of the cells that live inside your brain are supporting cells like astrocytes and glia. And we don't know what those do quite yet, but we know that they're there to support the function of the neurons. What matters actually is not the number of neurons, but the connections between them, and these are called synapses. The more connections, the more you can access your brain power. Actually, we're born with a lot more neurons, and they get pruned out as we get older, suggesting again that it's the conversation that matters, not the actual number of neurons in your brain.